This is a compilation video of Democrats doing what they do, all lying in sync, saying that nobody is above the law unless you're Joe Biden, Hunter Biden, and the rest of the Biden crime family. They're an absolute disgrace.
No one is above the law.
No one is above the law, not even the son of the President of the United States.
Okay.
No one is above the law.
The fact is, no one is above the law.
The idea that no person is above the law is a bedrock principle of American justice.
No man is above the law.
No one is above the law.
No one else is above the law, including a president.
Nobody is above the law.
That no one, not even the president, is above the law.
And that no one is above the law.
No one is above the law, and our president is not above the law.
No man is above the law, and no person is above the law.
No one is above the law.
That, nor any other title, puts you above the rule of law.
No one is above the law.
That is what it means to have a rule of law. That is what it means to not have a king.
They're not above the law.
Nobody is above the law.
Well, that no one is above the law.
We have one set of laws in this country, and they apply to everyone.
The law is a law, and no one should be above it.
Yes, nobody is above the law.
Do you think these psychopaths have a meeting where they get told what to say? Do you think they just do a group text? Hey, commies, we all need to stick to this lie today. What an absolute disgrace. They're the most disgusting, vile, soulless bunch of individuals on the entire planet. Look what they do to our country. Look what they have done to the justice system, our school system, our economy, our border, our sovereignty, our rights, the war on children. It's just madness and chaos. It's so disgusting on every level. It's just disgusting. They're just disgusting. Do they have any shame whatsoever? I mean, I guess not. When they're getting paid, they're all getting paid millions of dollars to say those things. So they're just sociopaths. I don't care how much money you paid me. I could not get on TV every day and just blatantly lie about the things that Democrats lie about. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it, and I wouldn't do it. And they just sit there and they have this sense of self-righteousness that'll make you want to throw up. They're the furthest thing from godly or hardworking or have any kind of decency. You know, they'll bring up Donald Trump all the time. Nobody's above the law. Well, let's talk about that. Donald Trump, by law, is allowed to appeal his cases. So he gets convicted, a higher court, the court overturned his conviction. All the courts have said that these charges are made up, they're unjust, that these are not laws that he has broken, that you made this entire case up, that you weaponized the justice system. And these psychotic, disgusting, sociopath Democrats and liberals, they'll get on TV and they'll just lie over and over and over again. Well, guess what? You didn't fool the 80 million Americans that voted for Donald Trump. We saw through it. We will always see through it. And this should be a clear message. I hope that Democrats, liberals, all of them, I hope you keep up the same type of rhetoric, the same type of behavior, the same way you attack anybody that doesn't agree with liberal policies. I love seeing guys like Joe Rogan say sayonara to the party. Elon Musk and Joe Rogan were Democrats their whole lives until last year. I mean, Joe Rogan is still a Democrat. He just endorsed Trump. So, Tulsi Gabbard, RFK, why are these lifelong Democrats all of a sudden saying, I can't deal with this anymore. It's over. I just can't do this anymore. You know why? Because of videos that I just showed you. Because of behavior of what I just showed you. That's why. Even Democrats just can't take it anymore. You told us the border's secure. Well, if the border's secure, then why are you arguing with Trump right now that he can't do mass deportations? For 4 years, Jean, I can't stand her, Pierre, whatever the hell her name is, Joe Biden, the whole Democratic crime machine, the border is secure. Then why are you on every news station saying that it's unconstitutional to do mass deportation? Who would Trump be deporting if there wasn't mass illegal immigration into the country? If the border was secure, who would he be deporting then? Just like the economy, it's just everything. It's like they lie about everything. Oh no, it's not. There's no inflation. The prices you see at the supermarket, at the gas station, it's all in your mind. It's all in your mind. The crime you see is all in your mind. The mass illegal immigration that you see in your own neighborhood when thousands of people are getting dropped off in your neighborhood who have never been there before, where you walk down the street and there's literally thousands of people who are just on the streets and going to the township and applying for every resource that's for American citizens, and now it's being directed to them. No, it's all in your mind. You're a racist for seeing these things. According to Democrats, you're a racist. If you notice any of this, if you say the border is not secure, if you say we have mass amounts of illegal immigration and a lot of those illegals are committing crime, you're a racist. You're a racist. Everything you say, anytime you say, that's not true. There's illegal immigration. Some of these illegals are committing crime. The border is not secure. We have inflation. We have crime through the roof. You're a racist. Shut up. We'll cancel you. Well, guess what? 80 million people canceled you. They've had it. The people have spoken. Donald Trump for the next 4 years, and Donald Trump will fix this mess.